Hello everyone, this is Wayne, iPhone Tips and Tricks CEO, coming to you to bring you a video tutorial. A lot of people have asked me how do I customize themes that I download onto my iPhone or iPod Touch. They ask me how do you customize those, and one of the things that they ask me is how do I customize get the date and time to appear on the home screen. And is actually a file that I received on that you put on your iPhone, and it's going to give you that feature to where you can put the clock and date right at the top of your home screen, along with the custom message if you choose to. I'm going to share that with you today. The first thing you would need to do is download the file from the video description to the right of this tutorial, this video. It'll be a link there that'll give you the video description. In the video description, that'll give you the file to download. Once you've downloaded that file, it will come as a zip file on your desktop. There it is. It'll say clock and date zip file. So what you do is you would open that up. Open up the clock and date zip file. And once that is open, you can there it is. It'll have how to change custom. This here, how to change custom message, is a file that will show you how to change the custom message to whatever message you would like. Because you'll notice that once you go through this process, you'll notice what the theme looks like. I'll show you at the end. But to change that message, this is the document that you want to look at, and it'll show you how to change that. It's very, very simple. But what you need is the HTML file here, the wallpaper HTML file. So what you do is you take this file and you drag it to your desktop. And it's going to ask me, I already have it there, so I'm going to click no, but it'll paste to your desktop. And once you're done with that, it'll look like this wallpaper HTML file. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to now SSH into your iPhone using WinSCP here. Okay, so you would click that, and once you SSH into your iPhone, it will look like this here. Okay, so at the top here where it says root, you would make sure that says root. Okay, then here you would go into var, click on var, and then you would go to you would scroll down to where it says stash, and you will click on stash, and there it will have your themes in here. You will click on the one that says themes. Mine is the theme that I would like to paste this to is the iPhone Storm theme. You can put this on any theme that you have. You would be able to, this is where all of your themes would be. So you just open up the theme that you choose. So I'm going to open up that one, and I'm going to take that wallpaper file. I'm going to take my HTML file there, my wallpaper HTML file. Okay, and I'm going to simply just drag it to the folder here. It'll ask me if I want to copy it. I'll hit copy, and it will copy the file. There it is, wallpaper HTML. Okay, now once that's done, you can X out of this, hit OK, and then you can go to your iPhone here, and you would reboot your iPhone any way you can. I'll just simply do a respring on mine. If you don't have a respring function, just restart your iPhone and it'll boot up. And once it resprings, you will see how it's underneath the icons. You can barely see it. It is underneath the icons. So you want to clear this top row to where you will be able to see it, the date, time, and your message. So the way you do that is you would go to Cydia. You would go to Cydia. I'm going to open up Cydia and I'll show you the app to download in Cydia. It's called iBlank. So you just search for that app in Cydia, iBlank. No spaces, just iBlank. iBlank. And once you've downloaded that, it'll give you the option to create blank icons on your desktop. So I'm going to hit cancel here because I don't need it to download anything. I'm going to just briefly show you that app to where you can get that. Okay, you would go to search down at the bottom, and then you would tap on the bar here, and then you type in iBlank, I-B-L-A-N-K. Then you hit search, and there it is, iBlank. You would just tap that app here, and then once that's done, you would just hit install up here. Mine says modify because I already have it, but yours would say install. So you hit install there, and then you install that app on your iPhone. As I said before, this will give you the option to create blank icons. Once you have that app on your iPhone, it's going to look like this. It's just a black box. So you would open that up, and you would just create however many icons you need to reveal that top row. So I'm going to need 5 to do that. I have 5 rows. I know your iPhones probably have 4, but that's another app that you need to download off of Cydia to get 5 rows. But you would probably create 4 or 5 if you need to. So you just hit create blank icon, and it'll tell you 1 icon successfully created. And then you hit OK, and you just do that 5 times. 2 icons successfully created. And do it again. And then 3 icons successfully created. 4 icons successfully created. And 5 icons successfully created. Once you've done that, you just exit out of this app, and it'll do a quick respring. Once it has resprung, your app should be created, and mine will be on the next page. So you just hold down any button to make your icons jiggle, and then you will see them there. There they have been created. See, I have them here too. So you just create however many. Now remember, you're going to need however many pages you have. So I have 2 pages, so instead of creating 5, I would create 10. you know, because I have 2 pages of icons, and I'm gonna, every time I swipe a page, I'm gonna need it to reveal that top screen. But I already have 5 created. That's why I just created 5. So if you notice, they're the other 5 that I created earlier. But you can see the top screen there. There it is. And there's your clock, your date, and then that's the text that I was talking about that you will be able to modify. If you go back into the zip file that's on your computer, on your desktop of your computer, you'll be able to learn how to modify that text to whatever you'd like, your name or whatever you'd like to put it as. So there you have it. Please subscribe to the videos and leave comments if you have any problems with anything. Thanks for watching.